In this video, I'll show you how to group and manage objects in Canva. To group elements, select the items you want to group. You'll notice a group button at the top right. Alternatively, you can right-click on the selection and choose Group from the menu, or use the shortcut Command plus G on Mac or Control plus G on Windows. Once grouped, these elements will act as a single object. You can scale, rotate, and move them together. While grouped, you can still edit certain aspects, like double-clicking on text to make changes. However, if you need to adjust individual text box sizes or reposition elements, you'll need to ungroup them first, make the adjustments, and then group them again. Grouping makes it easy to manage multiple design elements as one, allowing you to rearrange, adjust transparency, and organize your canvas efficiently. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.